Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about all things Easter. Now I know it's been a while since you guys have probably seen my face and I apologize for that. I've had some things going on. I don't know if you guys know, but I sell unique makeup and business has really been booming this last little bit. I've kind of got carried away with it, so I apologize for being away for so long, but we are here and we are back again and we're talking all about Easter stuff today. So if you would like to see what I picked up from the Dollar Tree for my little boy's Easter basket, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I picked up actually has nothing to do with an Easter basket. It's more just about the egg dyeing process. My mom and dad always did this with us growing up and I still like to keep that tradition alive. So I picked up a little egg dye set, and we usually just do like 1 dozen eggs and then the rest of them are plastic and we put little prizes in them. And then usually, like, if you find certain dyed eggs, then it's like the big prize eggs, and I just think that's something super fun to do. So that is the first thing that I got. And then I found this super cute little jump rope guy. This thing has little carrots for the handles and I just think it's so cute. Like, the second I seen it I was like, oh my gosh, he has to have that. He's like his mother. He is not coordinated whatsoever, so I cannot wait to watch him try to jump rope with this. The next thing that I found actually reminded me of a toy that I had growing up. It reminds me of like a little Light Bright, and for $1 I was not about to pass this thing up. I thought it looked like a whole lot of fun and I actually can't wait to play with it with him, so I'm really excited about that. I'm not sure if I'm going to give it to him in his basket or if I'm just going to randomly give it to him one day because I kind of want to play with it too. Then I found these little powder candies. I've always liked these things, depending on like the not shade, not scent, the flavor, depending on the flavor. And I'm assuming that these are just going to be like a citrus type flavor because they're orange. I don't really know that though. And then again, more carrot stuff, but the carrot stuff is so cute. These are just little bubbles, and we all, like, I'm almost a 30-year-old woman and I still find joy playing with bubbles. I don't know if it's just playing with my kid or if it's the kid in me that enjoys the bubbles. I kind of think it's a mixture of both, but I just really wanted to get him these bubbles. I think they're so cute. And he's actually still all about Avengers. He's never really had like a super big hobby, but he has really attached to Avengers stuff, and they had these little sticker books and I think they are so cool. So I just went ahead and got him one of those because he's all about his superheroes. And there's 5 pages in here and it's got 125 stickers. And my youngin loves stickers. Then I also found this little Mickey Mouse Roadsters gummies. My kiddo also loves gummies and he likes Mickey Mouse pretty good too, and it has a little sticker sheet in there. And then I picked up one of these little egg looking things, like usually you get them at Christmas time and they've got like Santa or a snowman on the end of them. I've actually never seen one for Easter, and this one has like a little Easter egg at the top, so I thought it was really cute, and it's full of little candies. I think these are just too stinking adorable. They're little rabbit eggs and I just thought they were too cute to pass up. There's 8 of them in there, and I think these will be really good for like little prize eggs, and I think they would even be cute to decorate with. If you didn't want to put candy or anything in them, you could just use these to decorate your house. And then this has to go in his Easter basket as well. This is like his favorite gum ever. Every time we go to the store, he's like, Mom, can I get some of that gum? And then I'm like, sometimes I'll say yes, sometimes I say no, but I think that if I put a whole pack of it in his Easter basket, it's going to do him for a little while. So I wanted to make sure that I got him a pack of gum. He's also pretty big into dinosaurs. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the channel, but there is something called Toy Labs TV on YouTube, I think is the channel name, and it's like Park Ranger Aaron and Park Ranger LV. My son is obsessed, and my niece actually likes them a whole lot too. But they do a lot of stuff with dinosaurs, so I found this thing, and for his birthday we're actually planning on trying to take him to the dinosaur museum in our state, and I'm really excited for that. He kind of knows about it, but he also kind of doesn't. Like, we've kind of talked about it around him, but we haven't really told him that we're going yet, and I'm so excited to see the look on his face if we get to go. This little guy right here, these always just bring back like nostalgia from when I was a kid. I always loved playing with these. They're actually really annoying. I kind of hate them and love them at the same time, but I thought he would really enjoy it, so I went ahead and picked it up. And I think that the little chick on there is super cute, or duck, whatever whatever that is. I think it's super cute. This is actually pretty random. This one's like got me kind of thrown. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it inside of his Easter basket or if I'm just going to give it to him. But we watched the Emoji Movie and my son actually liked it quite a bit. So I saw this little backpack over by like t-shirts and socks and stuff, and I thought he would absolutely love this. And we're supposed to be going on a trip this summer, so I thought this would be super cute for him to carry around with him, like with some little toys and gizmos and gadgets in it. I thought he would like that. So I'm still not sure, like, would you guys put that in an Easter basket or would you just give it to him? I don't know what to do. I also found this little toy right here. I guess you're supposed to like pick the ball up with its mouth and then shoot them out of its mouth. I feel like this is definitely a toy that I will unwrap before I put it. Let's just go ahead. We'll just unwrap it now. I'm like very curious to see how this thing works. So I feel like you're supposed to squeeze it and like, I don't know about this. So it's in the mouth, so you just, oh, I kind of didn't think that that was going to work. So, okay, he will definitely love that because he loves throwing things across the room. So, he will love that. Again, with the bubble gum, he absolutely loves gum. So, I had to get him this too. And then I got him a little thing of Tootsie Rolls. This is the one with the little bank in it. I've never really been a super big Tootsie Roll fan unless they're like the blue wrapper, the vanilla ones. Those are my favorite, but he does like Tootsie Rolls, and I just think that this is not only a cute container, but it's a bank too. This is another one of those things that I'm definitely going to open just because I think they're super cute. But they had this one, and I think the other one may have been a chick. I'm not really sure, but it's just like a little wind-up toy, and it hops. And then the last thing that I got to go in his basket is this little thing right here. You push this little like trigger type thing and it opens up and there's a little bunny rabbit inside, which I think is super cute. These things always fascinate me and they always fascinate him quite a bit as well. So I thought he would really enjoy that. And again, it's got just little candies in it, but I'm not sure what kind of candy this is, so I'm not sure if he will be partaking in that. If it kind of looks like mini Jawbreakers, and if it's anything like that, I won't let him have those. And then all of that is going to be going into this bucket. I thought this was a super cute color. It's very springy to me, and I just like that. I like the bucket in general. I think after he's done with it, it would be cute to have a flower in it, or just for his little toys, like little trinket toys, if he wanted to put them in there. I think that would be cute too. The only thing that I feel like I need to get now is some grass, like the fake grass to go down inside the bucket, or some paper or something, like just simple stuff like that. Just something to make it look super cute. But other than that, I think he's pretty much set. So that is going to be it for this one, guys. And by the way, I don't know if you noticed or not, my hands I've been painting today, so there may be some white paint on them. I'm not sure. I tried to get most of it off, but I feel like I still saw some. Yeah, like there's some. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye, guys.